Hi guys, and welcome back to the Bag Show. Z and Pete here. We've now moved on to the first aid bag. Alright, first aid bag is what we've developed. It's kind of smaller, compact from what our bags are in the truck right now. Why do you ask? Because what we're going to do is take the old trauma bags and we're going to move the cervical collar, the straps, the tape, and the foam pads are all going to be compacted together in that bag and moved to the outside of the truck. So when you go grab a board, a scoop, any other material you need to immobilize a patient, it's all together. It's not separated here, here, everywhere. We're just going to try and keep it all together. So by doing that, we can downsize the first aid bag. It's made of the same durable material as all the other bags that we've shown. The handles are the same, easy to wipe, easy to clean. All right. If we go to the inside, quick zipper. This is the minor hemorrhage side. So minor hemorrhages, little nicks, scratches, and whatnot. We have some cling, right? There's all this, everything in here meets the ministry standards for fully packed. We have cling, we have some triangulars. We've thrown in a couple foil blankets, just in case you guys like to use those, some iPads, and other gauze products. On the other side, we have our hand sanitizer that people use, okay? Scissors, some popsicle sticks, some saline for cleaning. And on this side, a little more heavy pressure, but not that quite major hemorrhage stuff. Some 4x4s, 2x2s on this side. If we go to the outside of the pouch, this is divided into two separate pouches. Right now, in the small pouch, we have a foam splint, which sits on the outside. Why do you ask if it sits on the outside? It's got to be packed this way for one reason. We want to protect our cold pack and our hot pack. Cold pack and hot pack. All right. So it's protected from the front and from the back. Why did we do that? Because we were finding that in the bags, cold pack and the hot pack were breaking. It was getting all over the equipment that's inside, so we decided to move it to the outside. I'm going to let Z explain the major hemorrhage, which is marked by the X, and go from there.
Excellent. So as you can see, this last compartment is where it's going to house the major hemorrhage compartment kit. As you can see, the compartment itself is very easy to access just by a tab, and it's marked with a red X. So just like Pete mentioned earlier, for first aid supplies, everything is included in the core of the bag, and for major hemorrhage calls, it's going to be in this compartment. And once you utilize that kit, everything that's left over is sent back to logistics and will be restocked and relaunched once again. Again, if you have any questions or concerns with this bag, feel free to give us your feedback. We welcome all your questions and feedback to the email account that we provided.